Okay, as you start to plow through these problems, you start to realize it's basically anti-differentiating the problem. And I'm going to do that now just by looking at it. I'm going to write down f prime, and I'm getting a little better at this. I'm going to increase the exponent by 1, so that's x4. Now you're going to divide 4 into 140 now. All right, I want to do that without, doing too much work, but I'm going to see it looks like, 4 times 3 is going to be 12. And then you get 2, 0. That's going to be 35. That's not so bad. Let's go to the next one. What do you get there? I'm increasing the exponent by 1, so it's x cubed. And then I'm going to divide 84 by 3. That goes in 2. You get 6, and then 24, and 8. So you get 28. Then I'm going to do the next one. Exponent gets increased by 1, so it's going to be x squared. 2 goes in 18 9 times. Minus 12x plus, well, I need to come up with a constant here, and I'm going to call it C1 now, because I noticed I did it in the last problem. Let me get my eraser out, and I want to see if I can figure out what C1 is. And how would I do that? I guess what I would do is I would use this information here to figure it out. Let's write that down. So f prime at 1 is equal to 8. What do you get? 35 minus 28 plus 9 minus 12 plus C1. You're going to get 8 equals, let's take a look and be careful about it. 35 minus 28 is going to be 7. 7 and 9 is 16. 16 minus 12 is 4. All right, do you know what C1 is? It's 4. All right, let me go up here and erase that now. Whoops. I got this. And by the way, if this is wrong, what follows it is going to be wrong. Let's take a look at the K. F prime. Did I write it down? I did the same thing before. I didn't write down, but I think I said, I should have written it down, by the way. But anyway, we'll come back to it later. I didn't write it down. What I want to do, though, is I want to go for the f function now. I hope that's written down. So what do you get over here? F of x. I'm doing the answer for this one over here. That's going to be what? x5. I'm going to divide 35 by 5. That's 7. Minus. That's going to be x4 now, increasing by 1. 4 into 28, 7 times. Plus. I'm going to increase the exponent by 1. It's x cubed. 3 goes into 9 3 times. Minus x squared. Okay, let's be careful. 2 goes into 12 6 times. Then I get 4x. And then I get another constant. I'm going to call it C2. And I'm trying to be consistent with what happened before. All right, it's a long problem, though. What do you get over here? Well, I know what f of 1 is. It's 3. Let's write that down. F of 1 is 3. They gave me an easy number. Plug it in. What do you get? 7 minus 7 plus 3 minus 6 plus 4 plus C2. 3. Let's see. 7 minus 7 is none. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1. Well, it's pretty obvious. At least I hope it is. C2 is equal to 2. Now, by the way, when I say something's obvious, I'm not saying it's right. I'm just saying it's obvious that if I did everything right, it's 2. All right, let me get my eraser out. I'm going to erase this C2 over here, and I'll put the number 2 down. Let's look at the key. I want to see if that's written. I'm looking at it. 7x5 minus 7x4, 3x cubed minus 6x squared, 4x plus 2. We're good to go to the next question. Thank you.